So here's what it looks like when looking out the window. Just a whole lot of trees out there, just sort of laying around, slacking. And this is what I did last week when I got a little too bored. Just sort of made it look like a stick, you know, a little stick house. It's all freestanding, so I didn't use any rope, no ties. So I kind of figure, like, I know how to do it, right? What could I do if I just did it on a bigger scale? So I am gonna keep my goal nice and small, right? I just want to see if I can take one of these big logs, chop it into about like a 9-foot section, and then see if I can lift a 9-foot section. So I've got plenty to practice with. We'll see what happens. Okay, I think I'm gonna try this little guy first, if you can see him. Let's measure out some 9 feet here. Grab my trusty ruler. Oh yeah. All right, I see we can do plenty of 9 foot here. So let's see what happens. Come on, chainsaw. Okay, that wasn't the most perfect thing I've ever done, but it looks like we kind of did it. So here's my 9-footer, and it's mostly straight. I don't know. The first cut I made was a little jagged. I don't know, it just, sometimes when the weight pinches the blade, it gets stuck and you have to, you know, adjust. But, you know, for a first time, not bad, right? I feel like I can lift this guy pretty good. He's not that heavy. So we'll put him in our pile. And let's try the bigger guy, why not? So this first guy, I don't know, my hands can go around him pretty quick and easy. The bigger guy here, yeah, he is pretty big. My hands are not small. So let's see if we can measure, why not? Yep, I would say at least 8 inches, you know, maybe 7. Yeah, so about 7 inches thick. Let's see what happens. Wow, okay. I did that one a little bit different. I started with the blade beneath the log and I cut upward, which feels a little bit more comfortable maybe, I don't know. But here we go. There she is. So let's see just how heavy she is, huh? Come on, girl, let's go for a ride. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I don't think I can pick her all the way up. Might have to roll her to her destination, but let's see. Let's see what happens here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Holy Jeebus. I think I'm doing it. Oh my gosh, she's heavy. Yeah, right there, girl. Right there. Whew. Wow. That is a big girl right there. So that might be my max. About 7 inches wide. Whew. Yeah. That's a big log. See if I can get my other one over there. All right, so maybe I didn't quite cut it at 9 feet because my big guy is slightly taller than my little guy, but that's okay. Can you see him? I think I want to try one more. One more chainsawing before I switch to carrying mode, which is where I try to carry the logs to where I want them. But yeah, chainsaw, it'll work you. My arms, I don't know, it's been a while. So I think I want that guy right there. I'm gonna try to chop him into a 9-footer. Let's see, why not? What could possibly go wrong? Whew. All right, so that one was a little trickier. Put away my blade. Not sure if you could see just what happened there, but I was trying to cut upward and it still got stuck. So I had to really wrestle it out and then make another cut on top. And then that other side, yeah, that second cut. I don't know if this is a different material, a different type of wood, but that blade went in and she just got stuck. Didn't want to come out, so let's try to lift this one. Why not? All right, check this out. So for whatever reason, this guy was all orange on the inside. Can you see how orange he is? And he had just this little bit in the middle, kind of holding him down. So when I went to lift, yeah, let's try again, huh? All right, here we go, Big Bertha. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You are ginormous. Oh, holy Jeebus. Yeah. Wow. Little bit heavy they are. So here we go. Here's my 3 victims. This guy, this guy, this guy, or something like that. It's hard for me to see. And my goal is to drag him way back there. So I'm debating which one I should do first. I've got 2 heavies and 1 little kind of medium. Yep. I think I might try a heavy one first. See how it goes. All right, Big Bertha. Come on with me, girl. I like that this one's got nice, handy, helpful handles. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's really heavy. Oh. Oh yeah. That's a good girl. I think about like switching shoulders, right? I have her on my right shoulder, and wow. Maybe I can pull my hood over a little more. But yeah, I'm thinking about switching. Letting the left shoulder do some. Ooh, yeah, baby. Let's go, Big Bertha. Yeah. I might be a little too old for this, but this trick with the hoodie, the extra pad, that worked pretty good. I have to set my log down, take little breaks, walk back, pick up my camera. So here's where we're at. Log number 1. And there. And we want to go a little more. Ready? Come on, girl. Let's do it. Yup. Okay. My log, she's right about there. And I want to take her up this big old hill. Maybe to a spot right about in here. Yep. I think this is my spot. There's a bit of a hill right here, but I've got this nice open space, almost like a staging area. I don't know if I'm gonna build right here. This probably isn't my spot, but for right now, yeah, it's good enough for right now. So let's go get the log. Yep. Number one has been arrived. Oh, wow. That took a lot. Took a lot out of this old man. She's heavier than she looks. Let's go back and get number 2. I don't know if I overestimate, underestimate, what's the right way? Because I know I can do it. But wow, there's so many obstacles. You know, just watching where you put your feet. I almost tripped over this guy. Can you see him? And then the elevation is up, it's down, there's rocks, there's, you know, it's the woods. So, I don't know. The scariest part is that there's branches. And with this big log on my shoulder, I can't quite see. So I end up walking into these branches and they get snagged on my log and they bend backwards. And then as soon as they break or release, it goes phew, and it almost catch me in the eyeball. My mom would say I need to put on my safety glasses. I got you, Mom. I still hear you. You're always with me. All right. Log number 2. I think I'm gonna take the big guy again. Save the little baby for the end. But I am gonna try the other shoulder. So we'll see how the left shoulder's doing today. All right. It's just me, this log, Buckeye Nation, and about 3 football fields of forest. And there she is. She hasn't gone anywhere. All right, left shoulder. You ready? Jeebus. Oh, left shoulder. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yeah, as soon as I tried that, oh, left shoulder did not like that. I don't know if it's poking me or if it was just the muscle or the weight, the shoulder blade. Ouch. And now my log is on the ground, much like where she started. Let's try this again, huh? Oh yeah, this one might be heavier. Let's try right shoulder again. Yeah, there's just so many bumps and pokey parts and broken branches. Hard to get the right spot. Let's try right here. Oh, oh yeah. Ooh, there we go. We can do both. Oh shit. Ah, both shoulders. I don't know. Both shoulders is a little bit different. Let's go both shoulders. Come on. It makes it so I gotta walk a little bit sideways. Whew. A little bit more. Come on, both shoulders. This seems to be one of the trickier spots. I'm going uphill and there's a lot of branches that are hanging down. This is the closest, the easiest, so let's do it. You ready? You ready, girl? Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oof. And here you go, number 2. Here you go. There's your spot. Wow. So heavy, you guys. So heavy. I probably should have put them on a scale, but I'm afraid it was gonna break my scale. Ooh. Wow. All right, let's take a little break. All right, little guy, let me put my crash helmet back on in case I crash. I think I want to try left shoulder with this guy because really left shoulder should be able to manage this. Get some wood chips out from the underside, running down my back. All right, left shoulder, you got this. Shit. Wow. Little guy feels so much lighter. Yeah, left shoulder is doing pretty good. So I don't think I'm gonna need to stop and take breaks with this guy like I did with the others. Like those big ones, oh my gosh. I carry for like 30 steps and then I set them down. This guy feels pretty good. But we're not getting overconfident. We gotta watch out. We got branches above us, branches at eye level, sticks and leaves all over the floor. Yeah. November in Michigan. But you know what? You carry logs, you're not cold. Not cold at all. Oh yeah. There you go, number 3. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. Yeah, I want to believe that I can do that over and over. You know, it started with a little belief of my own, thinking I could do it. But you don't know until you try, because wow. Yeah. Ooh. I think that's it for today. We'll come back and do some more tomorrow maybe.